make a delicious homemade apple pie, follow this simple recipe. Ingredients: the pie crust, homemade or store-bought, 6 medium-sized apples, Granny Smith or Honeycrisp for tartness, 3/4 cup sugar, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 tablespoons butter, cut into small pieces. Instructions: prepare the crust. If making homemade pie crust, prepare it and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Roll out the bottom crust and place it in a 9-inch pie dish. Prepare the filling, peel, core, and slice the apples into thin wedges. In a large mixing bowl, combine the sugar, flour, cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt. Toss the apple slices in this mixture until well coated. Add the lemon juice to prevent browning. Assemble the pie. Pour the apple filling into the prepared pie crust. Dot with butter. Roll out the second crust and place it on top, crimping the edges to seal. Cut small slits in the top crust to vent steam. Bake. Preheat the oven to 4 to 5 after 200 C. Bake the pie for 45–50 minutes until the crust is golden brown. Let the pie cool for 1–2 hours before serving. Enjoy!